Mag-zoom ko.
Paseo. Since parating na yung Valentine. Parating na yung tawag doon? Father's Day. So meron ditong mga Father's Day na pamimigay.
Mother's Day po.
And also this drink cold brew. Ang ganda. Wait, besi bugatan na kana yun. Dami ang takatong gagmay nga ko ano, lumudagan kaya natin sa amin. And Marugami udon. Mantay. Isa na ako?
Oo, ikaw na sa DC.
Wala mo kay Lord.
Van. Oh, video.
Ay, nga ba?
Ala, dito yung gitan sila tiyaramin. Patay kang Mr. Lidiraron.
Dahil na eh.
Ladies, some of the guys are lovely always and forever to start our second year. So some of you who are happy weekend everyone. Welcome here at Paseo Outlet's fantastic day.
Levi. Ikaw, you know, mga untad yan.
Araw?
Yeah.
Unya na no.
Ito yung uli.
Yung unya niya, yung uli yung dayon.
So we are here in Udon and we're going to eat now while we are on duty. Balik rata. Balik rata upusaw gini siya. So they have a big sale here. You have to buy two, get one. Hala ka, grabe ang big sale. 1,000. Ang
Promo po kami.
nagdala gito come here sa kuha ng mga juice diya. Oh.
Come here, yung optimal dala part.
Come here. Paseo. Yeah. We haven't been there. Natin sila ng flyer. Dali. Ay, kahangap. Diha, uy. Giordano. Kasi namimigay kami ng flyers because we didn't have so much client since La Tiara Salon is a newly built salon. And here it is. Fusion Outlet.
Mga hindi nila daw ito yung snow, kaya sila nila sila magdadalaan ni Good ako.
Oo, gani. Ako gani.
Hassle kayo
Since bitaw naghatag ng mga flyers, karami bitaw na yung mga hatag flyers uban, dawatong na lang ako kay I know how it feels when they're gonna try to convince us or give us the flyers and then if we refuse. Hello po ma'am, flyers po.
Kasama ko po si tita na.
Diba? Okay, let's go here.
Buto ko din ang gawang hapak ko.
I really feel so bad every time they refuse. I just don't like the feeling. So, what about here in National Bookstore? Oh my gosh, it's cold inside. And what about the shoe shop right there? Kaya ron dili mo boring akong vlog mo. Kaya tapulan pa kay kumukuan ay dili di ako mag voice over. Dry fit daw t-shirt. And uy, katsada sa mga shoes. Louis Vuitton. Yut, nag-hiring
Abi na
sila.
kung yata niya mag-sale. Ang sapatos ko siya.
Pabayran?
Oo, bawayaran niya salary deduction.
Ni.
Siyot. Mapwede na ito din. High school graduate with this friendly high chatting.
Oh my gosh, I wish I can have this kind of guitar and that organ piano. We're hiring the whole music teachers. Piano and can flute, but I don't know how to do that. I can sing, but playing piano and guitar, I don't know. So now we are heading back from La Tiara.
Asa sila nang agiyot?
Going back to La Tiara.
Paana?
Diri.
Paana, dire.
Dira man ko galing po doon mani.
Pare, pwede naman sila supli.
Well, you know that they have. Oh my gosh! I think that's one side. Yeah.
Ano o, dili na ba sa sabaan?
Gaan na to na sila tanan. I hope na ko antay mo. Agi ra man na sila diha bigi manakay man nag jeep. Galangan-langan lang ta sa doong kuan.
Mausap. Ay,
Bibigay kami ng flyers. See if they will
get it.
accept it. Because it's very hard walking around.
Saan mo yung pinag-
Saan?
Yung Adidas?
Ay, andun na sa kabila, ma'am.
Ah, yung sasabi ko
Mm-mm.
na yun sa may pasay mismo.
Oo, doon na.
Open na sila doon.
Hindi ko pa po alam. So I didn't give it to her. So I'm wasting of energy. So these people, they are make pila to get inside the jeep. And we are making hatag these flyers. Yeah. And we look so haggard. These are all our services from La Tiara Salon. And we have 20% discount promo this month only. No, up to July next month. End of July. And malapit dito yung Fraternity, which is yung competitive ng La Tiara Salon. And every time I don't have nothing to do, I go here in Watson's and try their lipsticks. And we have dentist clinic right beside La Tiara. La Tiara Salon is a Korean salon, and the owner is from Korea. And here is the services they have.